Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type slmgr /skms kms8.msguides.com. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type slmgr /ato. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.